I couldn't.
I heard something.
Right.
See,
Huh?
look,
No.
look, scary yourself. Why is that a shadow when there's nothing?
I don't know. I've been looking at that every time we come outside.
Oh, go, please.
What was that? These kids ran. The door locked. You ain't even locked the door. Come on.
Well, shit, I'm trying to get down. I got a whole bag of hate. Shit.
Y'all, we heard some gunshots. That's why we was running.